How to fix missing save option on Instagram stories. So when you head over right here to your actual Instagram story, if you have posted any, you can see in here this. So as you can see, we have the share, WhatsApp, boost, and mention. However, if you want to save it, you can click on more. And then from in there, you can see this option for save photo. So if it's actually a video, you have the option to save that video. However, if you do not have the save option right here, what this means is there's actually a bug in your system. So as you can see right here, it's there's already an indicative. So the web page is not loading, which means that there's something wrong. So what we can do is you can head over and then just try to shake our device. And then you should be able to see in here a report option. If you do not see the report option, you can head over right here to your profile, click onto the hamburger line, and then from in there, head over and then scroll down for help. Scroll down until you can see the help page right there. Click on this, then click on this report a problem. So click on report a problem option right here and then click on include and continue and then input right here your problem. Send it to Instagram and then wait for a few seconds as well as some days for them to actually respond to your query. So that's how you fix missing save option in Instagram stories. Hope we help.